So the bumper's come off. Let's see about getting these off. Let's have a look at it. Right, so after some grief, we got the rear bumper off. That should have been that for that video, but those that haven't seen it, look at the last video that I've done. It's given me some aggro, but anyway, I managed to get it off, but I need to remove the bumper hangers, and that bolt is rounded, that bolt is crispy, and the same on the left hand side. We've got that one out, but that one up there to come out. So I need to get those off, which I'm hoping won't be too much for drama now that the bumper's out of the way. Interestingly, this is your height adjustment for the bumper on the bumper hanger for your rear bumper. So you can put your bumper up or down, and on this side, it spins nice and freely. This side is stuck fast, so we need to free that off as well. So I'm just gonna have a play around, see if I can get those bits done. And we also need to repair the bumper crash bar. Just on the tops, I need to put a new insert in there. So I might just need to make a little plate to go around that, just to hold a new insert. Same on that one over there. So yeah, we need to have a look at that. But yeah, let's have a look. Let's get to it. So first things first, let's give everything a bit of a squirt with the old WD-40. I know this one is free, but I may as well help it along its way. Same in there, front and back. And same over on this side. I've got the lights on because it's, what's the time now? It is 8:30 in the evening. It's been very warm, so well, I'm hopeful for that one. That looks like it's got a good head on it. So we just need to let that do its thing. And I'm going to put a seat here. I'm going to try and bash a socket over onto that. So let's see how we go. Right. Hopefully you can see that I can't get anything on it. I've gone down to a 12mm, I've tried a 1/2 inch, but I have just ordered some stud extractors because I've still got those studs to remove from the underside. So I might just wait so I don't butcher it. But there's a 13mm in here as well, which I've put the penetrating fluid on, or the WD-40. So let me just see if I can get on that first of all. There's no point even trying to bring the camera in there to show you, because I can hardly see it. Let me just move some of the horrible goo out of the way. There's not enough room for a camera and a socket. Oh yeah. Oh, that moved. Oh. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, let's go. Come on. Right, happy days. I thought that was going to be my problem, that one there. But I'm pleased it's not, because that would be a nightmare to try and get onto. I think that one will be straightforward. I just got to get the right tool on there. So I don't want to hammer anything on really, because I could risk deforming the panel or breaking the plastic. And we've taken care so far, so we don't have to buy these, because as everyone keeps pointing out to me in the comments, and as Mr. John D was only saying in one of his recent videos, the cost of these are getting very expensive. There you go, right. So that's out, this one's free. Let's move to this other side. See what we can achieve there. Might need to put you around this way, bear with me guys. My film was as good as ever. Let's just get some light round here. Hopefully when I sit in the way, let me get a better setup, hang on. Right, I think that's better. See, it's a bit doomy gloomy in here. I think we can just about see, can we? So, we need to try and wiggle this one free. Can we see that? Not very well, can we? Come on, Simon, sort your life out. Wait. That better? There we go. Right then. So I put some penetrating fluid on it. Let's there you go, it's not too tight. I actually felt a little bit of movement in that already. That's good then. There we go. Oh yes. Oh yes. Come on. That, as some of you have pointed out in the descriptions, was going to be a nightmare. But that, I am super stoked with. Look at that. Awesome. We may be able to save this yet. So, don't know how much I'm going to need, but if I can get it all sorted now, then that'll be good. There we go. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Let's go. I'm well pleased with that. Christ, it's long, isn't it? So we'll leave that there for now. We'll try and get these bolts out. Wind that back into roughly where it was, based on the other side. somewhere around there. So I've just got this one at the top there now to try and get to. Like I say, unfortunately, the camera won't get up in there. Please, come on. Let's wind that down a bit more. Right, we're on. Oh, yes. Let's go. Oh, it's all coming away. Yes, come on. Oh, look how shiny that is. Perfect. And there we have it. One awesome condition rear bumper hanger. We can now, there's a little foam pad there, clean this up, get it ready. So it just leaves me the one last stubborn bolt now. I'll just show you in there a bit closer. There we have it. So hopefully the other side's as clean as that when I take it off. But I just need to wait for the tool to come that I ordered, so I don't want to butcher it. Let me give it one more go. Who knows what that's for? What's that plug for? It's not connected to anything. Reversing sensors maybe? I don't know. Right, let me give it one more go on this, otherwise I feel like I'm defeated. Right, I've been trying, knocking on this 12mm again. So, do you want to see what's happened when I've just done it? Oh, yes! Let's go! Come on! We will not be defeated. Ah, yes. Come on. Ta-da! Oh, look at that in there. That is, oh, lush again. So those holes will go again. We'll re-tap them. Bit of grease so we don't have this problem again. Oh, we're all dark, look. How good is that? There we go, just a short, put that down there, we'll go outside, the sun is fading. There we go, awesome. So that's the rear bumper hangers off, just so we don't leave everyone hanging from when I removed the bumper in the last video. So yeah, super tough with that. It went not too bad at all. So, so much easier with the bumper out of the way. I didn't have to cut anything. I found out now the fixings on the very sides of the bumper, where I cut those bolts off, the bumper actually slides off of them. I didn't know that. However, it now means I can replace them with a new nut, new bolt. So it'll be nice and free if I need to move it again in the future. So I'm pleased that I've done it. I'm pleased that I've carried on, got those hangers done, which is cool. So there we go, just a little short one from me. The next one you'll see from me will be all that back end, all cleaned and painted up. The welding done. Again, I'm not going to show you all the welding because there's just so much of it to do. There's not loads, but there's a few bits and pieces. So I'll show you the back end all painted up, and I'll show you the results of the welding. But we might have to wait a week or so for that video to come out because I've got a few little bits to do, and that I can have all the back end all squared away then, and we then move forward, centre to front of the car. Fingers crossed we're getting ever nearer. Thank you so much. Drop a comment down below, subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.